from him people settled the earth. Prophet Idris wrote and taught so well, told the people do what's well. Prophet Nuh built a big boat with lots of animals set afloat. Prophet Hud said stop your boastful ways, but his people wouldn't praise. Prophet Salih had a camel brand sent to teach his desert land. Prophet Ibrahim broke idols down. He loved Allah without a crown. Prophet Lut told please be pure, but they chose to sin for sure. Prophet Ismail built the Kaaba high. He obeyed with no reply. Prophet Ishaq was faithful too, full of trust and always true. Prophet Yaqub a loving dad, even when his heart was sad. Prophet Yusuf dreams shone bright. He was honest, kind and right, thrown in a well and rose so high. A noble man with faith to guide. Prophet Shuaib spoke so kind, told his people be fair not blind. Prophet Ayub got very ill, but thanked Allah and trusted still. Prophet Musa faced the king, let my people go ahead sing. Prophet Harun calm and wise, spread the truth with gentle ties. Prophet Dawn ruled with grace, birds would sing around his place. Prophet Dawood ruled with grace, birds would sing around his place. Prophet Suleiman talked to winds, birds and jinn and giant plants. Prophet Elias called to one, through the rain and through the sun. Prophet Yadiyasa walked with light, taught his people run from might. Prophet Yunus sailed the sea, then on whale came suddenly. In its belly he did pray, and Allah forgave that day. Prophet Zechariah made dua one night. Allah gave him the eye brain. Prophet Isa healed with AIDS, spoke as baby unafraid. Last came Prophet Muhammad, peace and love. Sent his mercy from above. He taught us how to live and pray, to be blind every day. So many prophets brave and true, they showed us what we all should do. Follow them, be kind and wise, and Jannah is our greatest prize.